Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what comes in the mail now, what I do in the kitchen here. It's almost the 1000th episode and I still get tongue twisted. Anyway, got one, I believe this came in a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code RamenRaider to get a discount, if you want. This is a Maruchan black pork belly udon. Here are the cuts. We are going to add the udon and the solid bits. I'm pretty sure I've had this, but it was a tiny little bowl, like a mini, a long time ago. So, I'm pretty sure I know how this is gonna go. So go nip, nip, nip. And flip the noodle block here. Yeah, I had to butcher the bowl. 5 minutes. Butcher the bowl to get the scan done. I gotta say again, wow, it's been so great having a scanner where I can do one pass and not have to put stuff together. I got 3 reviews ready. This is the 3rd review of the day. I got 3 of them ready last night while the kids were having their bath time, and I was done before their bath time was over. With all the scanning, all the image processing, and getting all the posts themselves ready. Because now at this point I've got those posts ready. I'll take pictures of stuff, I'll write my review, I'll get this video all ready to go, and then boom, I'm done. So it's like I get basically like the skeleton, and then I put the meat and potatoes in, and bada bing, bada boom. And I forgot to turn on this light. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it, dang it. Here, let's have some. I forgot the light. Pardon me. It's a new thing, so that's why I haven't used a light like that in my videos, other than in my ones I do over there. But yeah, cool. So we actually took this cam out today, yesterday. We walked around. I pushed the cart. My wife used the jogging stroller, mainly because she's still got shoulder problem, and it was kind of tough because she's got the carpal tunnel thing going on. But yeah, so got to get out, go on a walk. That was nice. We haven't done that in so long. I go on walks, but it's just hard for her at this point. But hopefully soon it'll get better. I can't wait. It's nice to go out walking. It really is. It's a good thing. You should go out walking. Anyway. Oh yeah. Quote of the day. Momofuku speaks. Number 187. I'm so sorry. I'm just like, the last week there was no school for the kids. So I'm like back in it. Last week was crazy and insane. So. Number 187. I have a great dislike for the seniority system. Momofuku Ando did not like the seniority system. I think there's something to be said that. Yeah, I've been here for a long time. I suck at my job, but I've been here for a long time. But you suck at your job. But I've been here for a long time. But you suck at your job, dude. That's just like rewarding somebody just for being around for a long time. That's almost ageism. I don't know. But I can get with that. I can get with that. Wow, I'm pulling it off. There's 12 minutes left before her school, and it's 1:45, minute 45 left to go on the timer. Oh, so there's this homeless guy that kicks it in front of the grocery store. I swear he looks like he's from Duck Dynasty. he'll shake his cup at you. Chicka, 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 chicka. Hey, spare some change, keep my hands warm. It's like, I just want to go, dude, I know you're getting residuals from TLC or A&E or whatever network that was you were on. You were on Duck Dynasty, weren't you? God, I heard a weird thing. My wife was telling me about how there was this guy who just got deported back to Germany that worked in some kind of capacity in a concentration camp as like a security guard or something. And he was living in Tennessee, got shipped back. He's like 95 years old, obviously. He got shipped back to Germany for trial. And apparently he's been receiving, what do you call it? Like a pension from the German government for being a war veteran. That's crazy. I would have never thought that. It's like, really? You're still giving out pensions for that? I get, okay. That's honorable that they honor their... but, I don't know. I mean, isn't it honorable? I don't know. Okay. Anyways, I thought that was really, really weird that there'd be somebody living in the U.S. that was involved in that. I mean, there were a lot of people that were involved in that war. It was a big war. What I've often wondered, though, is we had the, what do they call them? The rainbow camps, where they took Japanese folks and made them hang out, which wasn't very nice. So, are those people getting tried for some kind of... I mean, I know that there wasn't anything like what the Germans did, obviously, but did the Japanese that went through that, did they get anything? Or I know Sulu from Star Trek, George Takei, he did a whole thing about that. He's pretty cool, you know, aside from being Sulu. I think he's going to be the last one. Spock, Scotty, McCoy, they're all dead. Uhura just died, I believe. So all you've got is Kirk and Sulu. Oh, you might still have Chekhov. I don't know, though. Oh, the Chekhov that died was the one from the reboot. That's right. Which sucks, because he was a good character. But, yeah. Well, and it sucks, because, I mean, he was a dude. And human being, you know. Dude, I'm so sad that guy died. He really played that character well. He didn't have any life outside of my enjoyment of his, of his acting. Cheers. First thing I'm noting, it's very salty. Which is one thing that I've never liked about the whole Japanese curry udon thing. These noodles, though, these really have a nice tooth on them. I'm impressed. Usually they don't. Usually they're very soft and flippy floppy. Alright, so what I'm going to do first is I got something to add in. Where's my add in? We're down to 7 minutes. So I got this tofu. It was in a bag that is upside down. Alright, yeah. And they come out like little pieces of bread. Kind of interesting. If they'll come out at all. Get in the bag! Get in the bag! Come on! I don't have all day here. All right. Yeah, check these things out. Little pieces of bread. And it's just like tofu puff. It just sucks up a bunch of liquid. That's probably going to suck up all the liquid in the thing, and it's going to look silly now. So I apologize for my rash decision making, but I don't know. I used it in some my quali white curry the other day, and it was actually pretty neat. I liked it that way. Okay, get your little bready cells. It looks like cinnamon toast. God, I really gotta hurry. So I need a bowl. I didn't pick a bowl. You can enjoy the shelving for a moment. I need a bowl. What is the bowl? This is the... Ooh, this one or this one? This one. We're going red. We're going red. Okay. I like red. It's Miles' favorite color. It's gray? Oh. It doesn't sound like much of a fun color. What's your favorite color? Off-white. Kind of like mauve. Mauve's a nice one. And I made a mistake here. Made more than I needed, so I'm going to use more than I need to. Alright, so there we are. Can we just go like this a little bit more? And let Rotito go. Sweet, I gotta hurry.